Apologies to those who have been waiting for this video. I'm not a professional industrial designer or a 3D modeler, but I've been trying hard to perfect this housing for the Ace Pro 2. After more than 20 iterations, I'm finally satisfied with the result. In appreciation for your patience, I bring you two designs in this video. Why a housing for the Ace Pro 2? It's just for a bit of fun, and it helps me adjust the tilt angle better. After printing, assemble the press-fit hinge. Fully articulate the Ace Pro 2 screen and make sure the original silicone bumper is on the lens. Press-fit the lens bumper into the opening of the housing. Ensure that the camera stays in place. If not, gently press the back of the camera's body into the housing. Flip the screen to a horizontal position. Close the lid and ensure the catch is in place. Slide the lens hood in place. I've included two lens hood designs. To remove your camera from the housing, open the lid. Gently push against the mic grill and remove your camera. For the second design, articulate your camera's screen slightly. Press fit the lens bumper into the opening of the housing. Gently press the back of the camera's body into the housing. Gently lift the screen to align with the top of the housing. Close the lid and ensure the catch is in place. Slide the lens hood in place. I've also included two lens hood designs. The second housing design also allows you to attach a selfie stick tripod using the magnetic mount. Links to the 3D files are in the description. Comment on which is your favorite design. Subscribe for more designs coming in the future. Thanks for watching.